Yo, 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 what's up, my good people? Welcome to another episode of Finally Financial. I'm your host, Erik T. Jackson, and boy, do I got a good one for you guys today. So, I want to talk to you guys about 10 easy ways to spend less at home. Okay, so let's jump right into it. Uh, so, if you're having trouble putting together a balanced budget, here are some solid ideas for cutting your expenses at home right now. Each one by itself may not save you tons of money, but if you combine several of them, the savings will add up over time. Number one, turn the thermostat down or up so you can cut heating and cooling expenses by turning your thermostat down 1 degree in the winter and up 1 degree in the summer. 1 degree, which you probably won't even notice, can save you up to 3% on your heating and cooling bills. And that could add up to a lot of money in a year's time. Number two, get your books and movies from the library. From print books and ebooks to audiobooks and movies, your library has a wide range of free entertainment options. And if you're looking for digital media, you can usually do your borrowing from home. Number three, invest in a water filter. By switching from bottled water to filtered water using a sink or Brita filter, you can save thousands of dollars every year. Filtered water is also better for the environment, for you environmentally conscious folks out there, of which I am one. So I'm right there with you. Invest in a water filter. Number four, how about making your own cleaning products? I wonder how many of you have done that or doing that, have thought of doing that. But yeah, make your own cleaning products. It's surprisingly not that hard. All you have to do is mix a few do-it-yourself household cleaners. You know, it's also a big money saver since you can make them from kitchen staples like vinegar, lemon juice, and baking soda. You know, but you don't want to mix things together that you don't know anything about. I will tell you that. You know, make sure you read the directions and make sure you know you don't cause any explosions. But it does seem pretty simple to make some cleaning products from vinegar and baking soda and little lemon juice in there, right? All right, number five. This is something I've done before, and it saved me a boatload. Cut your cable service. So, well, guess what? In today's world, you can find news and entertainment right on the internet, right in the palm of your hand on your own phone, right? Inexpensive alternatives like Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime give you access to all the popular shows and movies that you'd find on most cable networks, you know? So you don't really need cable. You know, you can put ESPN on your phone or computer, you know, watch any sports channels, any other networks. You can find them all streaming somewhere, right? So that's one of the biggest savings. And cable is so expensive, you know, that right there could save you a boatload of money over a year's time. Number six, something that's underrated. Switch to LED light bulbs, right? It's never been easier to find an affordable LED lighting option. These energy efficient bulbs last 5 times longer than incandescent bulbs and can help you save on overall home energy cost. LED light bulbs. Now, something I learned a long time ago, you know, they always try to get me, but as I done got my grown man on, I've learned to avoid extended warranties, right? Not on, you know, big ticket important things, but no matter what major purchase you make, car, furnace, computer, dishwasher, you'll probably be offered an extended warranty by the company selling you the product. Though extended warranties may be a good investment in limited cases, right? Their costs usually outweigh their benefits. And I learned that when I would always get extended warranty, maybe on a television or uh, my washer and dryer, and when it was time to use it, it didn't cover what was broken or what broke the appliance. It was just a big hassle, and I learned that I didn't need extended warranty. You know, so that's something that you can not do with, and it will save you money. Number 8, shop online auctions, sales, resale shops, do those things. So whether you're furnishing a nursery or building a wardrobe, online auctions, tag sales, and resale or consignment shops can save you a bundle while still offering long-lasting, high-quality products. And I would go one further. I'm not opposed to yard sales. If you don't have to buy it, the stuff. It's a lot of things that you wouldn't buy at yard sales, but you can find gems at yard sales. Maybe appliances. A good grill, a good lawnmower. You know what I'm saying, or some things that they just selling because they weren't able to use. So check those things out, and you could save money over time doing those things. Number 9, buy produce that is frozen or in season. So in season fruits and vegetables are generally cheaper than out of season or exotic produce, right? So you should also consider buying frozen options since they're inexpensive and keep longer than fresh produce, right? So if you can, buy in season and buy frozen rather than fresh. Now, number 10, wash clothes in cold water. So I didn't really know that this was uh, a real money saver, right? But I've started doing it since I've found out. But switch to cold water when doing your laundry to save on energy costs without losing any cleaning power, right? So those are just uh, 10 things that you can do right now that can save you money. And like I said, if you put a few of them together, you could save a lot of money, you know. But if you just did one here, one there, you could still save money over time, like cutting that cable. But let's let's rehash, or let's go over the 10 real quickly. Turn the thermostat down or up 1 degree. Get your books and movies from the library. All right. Invest in a water filter. Talked about that. Make your own cleaning products from vinegar, baking soda, all right, at home. Cut your cable service. That'll probably be the biggest savings, I think. Switch to LED light bulbs. That's another one. That's easy and can save you money. Avoid extended warranties. Some of those extended warranties, man, they aren't cheap. So you can avoid them. That can save quite a bit of money over time. Shop online auctions, sales, resale shops, yard sales, as I said. Buy produce that is frozen or in season, right? And wash clothes in cold water as opposed to warm water. Now, I hope you really got value out of those. I'll have all those listed in the description below. But it's important that in these times that we're in, rising inflation, uh, gas prices fluctuating the way it is, uh, that we try and find the savings wherever we can. So that's why I made this video, because I'm like you. I have plenty of friends, family, coworkers that just like me trying to find a way to save. So I said, let me find some ways that my people could save right now. Let them know, make this video, and hopefully they get benefit out of it. So I got benefit out of making the video. So hopefully you get benefit out of watching the video, right? This is what finally financial does, man. Uh I love bringing you guys uh finance based information, that can help you one way or another, help you now, help you down the line. Uh you know, and I just want to keep you guys motivated, uh, you know, on the right path, thinking about the next way to make money, make a dollar, because it's not about us, it's about the next generation. And, you know, the more we make now, the more we save, the more to help the next generation. That's what I believe. It ain't for me, it's for my kids. It's my kids. That's what we working for. And as long as you have that mindset, you'll never stop, right? Because you can't stop, you know. Finally Financial Podcast, Erik T. Jackson TV. I'm Erik T. Jackson. Appreciate you guys watching. I'm out.